Hello, Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Heidi.
How are you today?
I'm good.
What class are you in?
I'm in class C7A.1.
Where do you like going?
I like go into the cinema.
How often do you go there?
I sometimes go to the cinema.
Who do you go with?
I'm go with family.
What do you do there?
I'm watch movie with family.
Do you always have fun when you go there?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what would you like to eat?
I would like to eat rice and chicken.
What would you like for dessert?
I would like some ice cream.
Okay, what would you like to cook for your family? Why?
I would like to cook spaghetti because it's my favorite food.
Favorite food? Oh. What is the biggest country in the world?
The biggest country in the world is Russia.
What is the longest river in Egypt?
The longest, the longest river in Egypt is Nile River.
Okay, what is the fastest animal in the world?
The animal is fastest in the world is cheetah.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.